Hi, in this video we will learn about how to customize a WordPress website. So here you can see a WordPress website dashboard. Here I am going to open the website. So this is the website. I want to edit this website header and footer section. So this website have a header and footer section both. So I want to edit this section. How to edit this footer and header section. This website is built by using Elementor. So but the problem is the Elementor is not providing to edit the header and footer section. You can build by using this website BTB header and footer section. So you can edit the header and footer section by using Elementor. So then how to edit the footer and header section? So you need to edit. If you want to edit the header and footer section, you go to dashboard and click the appearance. You can see appearance section. So click on appearance and you can see the customize button in this option. So just click on the customize and you can redirect to the customize section in this site. So this is a section for edit the header and footer section, and you must remember in this section you don't you can't edit it other like BTB header and footer section. So you can edit it, these contents of the site. You can edit header and footer section. So if you want to edit the header section, you go to customize and click on header builder. Just click on the section. You can see the site title and logo. The right side you can see primary menu button. So this is the place for edit the header. So if you want to change the logo, just click on the site logo and change the logo from this option. And you can edit the primary menu. Primary menu is home, of course, about to comment. If you want to edit this section, you can on the menu from here. Just click on the this option, and if you want to adjust the width, you just click on the width, and you can see a button which is a star line. If you want to edit the star line, button and click test. You want to change the button name. If you want to edit add a link in this button. For example, if you if someone if you listen to the button, they want to redirect to the page in this essentially in this section. So this is therefore with the header section. So then next one is how to edit the footer section. Go to bottom and you can now see a footer builder. Just click on footer builder, and there is an option which is copyright and associate. You can see the copyright the section. You can see social icons, and also you can see the 3 columns in this button. So if you add any other widget or any other menu in this footer section, just click on this button. So this is something. If you want to click on the if you want to edit this just click on the copyright and you can edit this this. And now you can see some social icons. If you want to edit the social icon, just click on the social, and you can see all the social icons listed here. So if you want not any other social icon, you just click on the add social icon, and you can add other social icons like LinkedIn or anything. If you want, you can add the social icons from here. So this is the method for customize the website. So this is, and you can build a website by using element, but the element is don't provide to edit the header and footer section. You can customize on the by using WordPress. So this is the method for edit or customize the website. Thank you.